When most people think of Ann Arbor, they think of this. Just a few minutes away sits one of Ann Arbor Township's most remarkable historic homes. Nearly 2 centuries later, it's still standing, and now it's ready for its next chapter. Welcome to 1575 Earhart.